just reached the hotel, Avani Palm, and already spotted the Ferrari. Beautiful car. I'm definitely going to do a lot of car spotting this trip. Welcome to room 905, the Avani Palm Dubai. And as you enter, it's a huge room. There is a walkway, and on the right immediately is the toilet and the shower. Let's check out what amenities they have. And as you enter the room, this is the wardrobe. They do have a mini safe. And this is the room. High ceiling, nice big double bed. There is also a mini kitchenette with huge fridge, a washing machine, an oven, induction stove, sink, huge TV, and it is night out now, but an awesome view. Awesome view. And I'll show you the day later on. So as promised, this is the view from the room and the day. Doesn't get better than this. Back at the hotel, car spotting again. Beautiful Porsche. It's gorgeous. 718 Cayman GTS. And Ferrari's behind. Beautiful Ferrari. People checking it out too. So this is our hotel, Avani Palm, and right outside there is the monorail into the Palm and the tram station that brings you to the metro or the Dubai Marina and JBR Beach. So do subscribe for more recommendations, and please leave me a like. It would really help a lot. And until next time, thank you for watching. I'll see you around.